Investigation of the case. After interrogating the main conspirator, it has come to notice that there is a person who was known to the victim, and he was opposing the one of the girlfriends of the victim's brother. He was opposed to the relationship, and he had accordingly contacted his old friend, who is Ravi Shankar Yadav, and in turn Ravi Shankar had called two of his accomplices whom he knew from his village side also, and who are living presently in Mumbai. So he had brought all the logistics together on the instance of the person whom we are trying to trace.
Sir,
So further investigation is going on to trace that person. So we can say that this whole conspiracy was hatched by one of the friends of the deceased, who was opposed to the affair of his sister with the deceased.
सर इसमें सुपारी दी गई है बोल रहे हैं
जी।
कितना व्हाट वाज द अमाउंट पेड टू द एक्यूज
5 लाख की अभी तक हमें डिस्क्लोज कर
सर गन्स कहाँ से आए थे कुछ पता है
उसके लिए अभी हम फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं. दैट डिटेल्स वी कैन नॉट शेयर नाउ.
सर सम मीडियाज आर सेइंग दैट देयर इज अ कनेक्शन विद दुबई इन दिस मर्डर केस हाउ ट्रू इट इज दैट
Thus, because we are yet to establish the whereabouts of the further accused that I have just disclosed, so it's not proper to say whether he is in Dubai or in some other country, but we are making efforts to trace it.
सो द लव एंगल के वजह से
Yes.
So it is nothing to do with the property dealing and all.
Till the investigation till this point, there is no property angle as such. Only the relationship angle has come. 3-4 years,
प्लानिंग कितने दिन से चल रही है सर ये
around 5-6 months.
More person should be added to it.
Sorry.
Or
और
Like, or we have identified another accused, but we are yet to arrest him.
He's the main accused.
Yes.
सर जो एक्यूज पकड़े गए हैं दो जो हाउ डिड ट्रेवल टू गोवा
2 accused जो पकड़े गए थे शुरू में, उन्होंने उसमें एक accused जो था वो जो हमारा मेन कॉन्स्पिरेटर लॉजिस्टिक्स अरेंजर जो है रवि शंकर, उसके साथ ट्रैवल किया था फ्रॉम यूपी टू मुंबई बाय ट्रेन, एंड फ्रॉम मुंबई टू यूपी गोवा. He again traveled with the main conspirator, that is Ravi Shankar. Both the accused.
Sir, जो सुपारी दिए गए ना जिसने सुपारी दी, how he is connected to Ravi Shankar?
He is his old friend.
सर फिर से एक बार पूछना ये जो 2 एक्यूज जिसने शूट किया है और साथ में थे उनका कुछ अंडरग्राउंड से अंडरवर्ल्ड से कनेक्शन है सर ऐसा कुछ लगा है
नहीं, अभी तक की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ऐसा नहीं आया है.
कुछ क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड
No. There's nothing as
They're
such.
not even history sheeters.
अभी तक जो हमने प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करी है, रिकॉर्ड चेक किए हैं, देयर इज नो रिकॉर्ड एज सच.
तो ये फर्स्ट क्राइम फिलहाल माना जा रहा है उनका
We'll not conclude on that because they have lived at separate places. So there is a possibility that they may have some criminal history at other places. So that we are verifying.
सो दैट 5 लाख सुपारी जो था फ्रॉम एनी अदर कंट्री हैज कम टू दिस पीपल उसका कुछ ट्रांजैक्शन वगैरह कुछ कंफर्म
That we have some records. We have those records.
What is the breakup of that 5 lakh?
That breakup, I think that is not significant in this case.
How much was
That we are
the-
investigating into it, that what was the breakup and they who all were to share. So that we are investigating.
सर क्राइम होने के बाद और पैसा मिलने वाला था इनको एक्यूज को वो कुछ पता चला
नहीं, अभी हमें इतना ही पता चला है जितना मैंने शेयर किया है.
थैंक यू